Hello friends, this is Sai Fernindra from SQL School. A short intro on our Power BI practical training classes with AI and CoPilot. Over 19 years of technical expertise exclusively on database technologies including BI platform. I assure you practical step-by-step classes from scratch right from the basics. In my Power BI classes, which are 100% practical and real world, I assure you step-by-step visual activities, reports, dashboards, apps, alerts, Copilot, AI, and lot of concepts with 3 great technologies, 7 different tools, and 2 hosting solutions for end-to-end realistic project-oriented classes. I need to make sure we have safe interview and safe job work. Both are equally important for us, and my course will definitely take you there. Pretty sure about it. In our classes, we'll be taking lot of data sources and lot of types of reports, various types of reports, interactive activities, and up-to-date cloud concepts. No matter what, no compromise. I'm sure about it. Zero compromise and straight concepts with good amount of examples. Your Power BI, your resume, and my training. Let's work together. My Power BI training classes are completely practical that will be helping data analysts, shaping up data engineers, either Azure or Fabric, and will be helpful for BI developers as well. Why? Because in my classes, I have 50 plus examples on Power Query, 50 plus examples on DAX, data analysis expression language, and good amount of scenarios with 50 plus examples on cloud, Power BI cloud. Come on, please attend for a live demo session. Let's understand more about the depth of our classes, the kind of concepts we are going to get in our training program. And let's start our learning process after attending the live demo session. I'll see you there in the live demo class, and we'll take it from there, right from the prerequisites to end-to-end project activities. Let's get started. Let's grow together, learn together. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a nice time.